Good evening friends. Now I want to explain about the weak acid and strong base hydrolysis. Here weak acid strong base means its solution is strong base means it is a basic in nature. pH is, this is the strong base, weak acid plus strong base. The solution having which is pH is, what will happen if it is strong base? Strong base means pH is greater than 7. It is a basic nature, means pH is greater than 7. This must you have to remember. After that, hydrolysis of weak acid strong base, which one is hydrolysis? Weak acid only, weak one only. In salt hydrolysis, whichever you take, weak only it will hydrolyze. If you take for example formic acid plus sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium formate. In this only formate ion will undergo hydrolysis. Na plus does not undergo hydrolysis. This formate ion undergo hydrolysis, they will form the HCO, formic acid plus OH minus. Initially C concentration. If 1 mole undergo, for 2 moles undergo C moles minus CH undergo hydrolysis, CH and CH. H is the like degree of hydrolysis, like degree of a dissociation, you take alpha, like that you take degree of hydrolysis, you taken as a H is taken as a degree of hydrolysis. This is a salt hydrolysis. Next we write the KH is equal to concentration of products by concentration of reactant. This is a pure liquid, it is 1 because this is taken as a 1 because it's the hydrolysis. In case of acetic acid, weak acid, they undergo hydrolysis, they will undergo dissociation, they will form Ka is this one. KH and Ka multiply, they will get the product, this gets some concentration of OH minus and H plus will get. Then Ka is equal to Kw, KH is equal to Kw by Ka. If you want to write the concentration of OH minus, this is CH. Concentration of H plus OH minus is Kw. Concentration of H plus is equal to Kw by CH. Then KH is equal to CH square by C minus Cc cancel. CH square, H is equal to square root of KH by C. We know concentration of H plus is Kw by Ka. Kw by CH. C. H is equal to KH by C. Then we write Kw by Ka. The root of Kw by Ka by C is equal to concentration of H plus. Concentration of H plus is Kw by Ka by C. We know next KH is equal to Kw. Next KH is equal to CH square. These are the formulas very important in the salt hydrolysis for weak acid and strong base. Thank you students. Next we will discuss remaining.